Hi guys, so single unboxing today. This is the Milai bunny and it's called Into the Forest series. It's from Starry Year, Star Year, not Starry Year. And the box came crushed, but here are the different options. I have actually no idea what the secret's supposed to look like, and you can kind of switch their eyes around. So there's only one that I want from here, which is the green one. I don't really want any of the others. Maybe I'll keep it if I get this one. But basically, I was planning to buy this confirmed, but this popped up. It was much cheaper. So I decided to go for the blind box and see what we get. But honestly, if it's any of these other ones, I'm probably going to sell or trade it off and then get this guy over here. All right. So let's unbox it. And here I have the bag. It's just has no imagery on it. It just says the brand or the character name over there, and same with this side. All right, let's hope for the green one, y'all. 1, 2. Oh, it's this guy. Okay. Well, not the one that we wanted, but let's just look at the features of this. So you have these really soft ears. They are not stuffed at all. They don't have any wiring in them either. You have these hands that are really quite pretty, actually. They have a gradient color on them, and they are soft. They're like hard, but they're matte feeling. Same with the feet. And then it says Star Year at the bottom here. And the clothes are fully removable, which is really nice. It's quite nice. The clothes itself are like good quality. They're not like unfinished seams or anything like that. Let's look at the eyes. So we should be, oh, okay. There we go. There we go. One eye. And then the other. Oh, they're not in sync with one another. It's not like I can just like flip this and it'll be the same one, right? I have to flip it again to get to there. But you have this face basically, and then you have this face, and then you have this face. And I don't know if there's a third. No, that's it. It's kind of cute. And then they have a little tag here. And a little, their tail comes out of the hole there. Let's see if there's a, yep. Anything else in the box? No. So it comes with a little key ring and a forbidden candy. And then here is the picture. So her name is Joy. And there's a QR code that you can scan. I don't know where these bring you, actually. So I'll write in the description where these QR codes bring you. But I'm using my phone to film this right now, so I won't be talking about that. She's soft. It's branded up here. Is there something on her face? Maybe some dirt. Not sure. There seems to be a little bit of a flaw, but that's not bad. You can't really see it from like anywhere else. Overall, I think I would recommend this. I think this is super cute. It's a nice size. It's not too huge, not too small. And it's pretty good quality overall. Let's take this out. But like I said before, if it wasn't the green one, and to a lesser extent the one that is brown with the antler, I won't be keeping it. So here we go. We have the Milai long-eared series. Let me know if you guys have one of these, if you guys think that you'll get one of these, or what you guys think about the series in general. All right, you guys will see more unboxings of this later, probably a confirmed one for the green. All right, bye. Have a great day wherever you guys are.